Seal Beach sandwiched between Long Beach and Huntington Beach. We're getting a better overhead look. And again, you're seeing this exclusively from up here in Sky Fox. We're first on scene here, and you can see well involved. This diner here, this Ruby's Diner, and this is a historic pier, so popular among Orange County citizens. Fire crews are still arriving on scene. This is going to be a multi-alarm fire here. And as you can see, fire shooting through the roof at this time. Now, what firefighters are going to do? Obviously, they're going to try to save as much of this as possible and the pier as possible. The worry is not necessarily it spreading anywhere else because it's the end of the pier. Unclear if there are anybody inside any of the structures here. Ruby's typically opens at 7 a.m. They serve breakfast, but again, we're still trying to get all this information, and I know our assignment desk is working hard to get that for us, and once I get it, I'll pass that on to you as well. But you can see here flames shooting through the roof. We'll make a southward approach here, and you can see there is a fireboat on scene. We'll widen out just a little bit, and we'll see if that boat, yeah, that boat is putting water on the edge of the structure here. First thing firefighters want to do with any fire, they want to make sure this structure is clear of anybody. They want to save lives first. Then they're going to try to protect as much of the property in the structure as possible. Those are all wood pilings. Obviously, water will not be an issue, a water source, because these boats, and they're going to need more fireboats on this, obviously. There's another one there on the south side of the pier, and you can see firefighters up on the edge of the pier here as well. Again, we heard that this started in a Ruby's Diner on the edge. Firefighters there, and they're going to, they have to watch for the structural integrity of this pier, guys, because it's wooden here, and how much of that has been compromised because of the fire. It looks like it's a vacant structure there, definitely. You can see it looks like those windows are boarded up, so I'm not sure if this is being used for anything. How the fire started, that is unknown at this time. Looks like there's some bars on the windows there. No word of any injuries yet. Orange County Fire Authority will be on this. This will be a multi-agency attack of this fire. Let's widen out and show you what this looks like. Vince will widen out in the back. We have a strong onshore flow, a flow of air off the Pacific. So it's cool and moist, obviously, with a marine influence right here at the edge of the pier here. But you could see how well involved this fire is. And that smoke is lofting because of the winds blowing off the ocean over the community, the very beautiful small beachside community of Seal Beach here. And a lot of people watching on the shore near as well.